Today we are going to install the new DRT Motorsports Maverick R aluminum air intake vent. This intake vent fits the Can-Am Maverick R, all models. Install time is around 30+ minutes. Can be installed by yourself with a difficulty level of intermediate. You will need this list of tools to complete the installation. So, gather the tools, and let's install. Let's start by removing the factory plastic grille cover from the air intake of the vehicle. Do this by grabbing the grille firmly, pulling it outward, and unsnapping the grille from the intake dog house. Now, let's move to the table. Next, grab a pair of sharp dikes, or a cutting tool, and cut each plastic grille thin around the outside edge, as you see here. Try and cut the plastic as close to the outer trim as possible. Now with the center grille removed, you can clean up any sharp-edged plastic, or undesirable cuts with a grinder or file. Next, grab the brushed aluminum grille plate, and line it up over the cover, making sure it's centered. Then, using a 3/16" drill bit, drill out the two lower mounting holes, through the plastic. Now, grab the black plate, set it on top the brushed plate, and line everything up. Then, grab the two short supplied 3mm bolts, insert them through the all pieces, and thread on the backing nuts. Now, tighten them down, with an 8mm socket on the backing nut. Take a look at the hardware we will be using to secure the grille. 4 side clamp plates, 4 top plates, and 2 bottom plates. Next, continue around the outside, threading in the supplied long 3mm Allen bolts. Then, go back, and tighten them all down. Now, with the grille back exposed, insert the 4 top clamping plates, and thread on the backing nuts, as you see here. Next, we had to cut away a little more excess plastic around the 2 upper corners, so the clamping plates will fit properly. Then, Continue to install these plates around the edge at the mounting points, and thread on the backing nuts, to hold the plates in place, as you see here. Now, go around the edge, and tighten down each mounting point, in the order, as you see being done here. This will tighten the grille down evenly, around the edges. It's important not to over-tighten the hardware, they only have to be snug, to keep things in place. Next, take the intake cover back to the car and set it in place, align all edges, and snap in the sides and the bottom. Lastly, install the top push pin, and you are done. Congrats, that completes your DRT Maverick R aluminum air intake vent install. This aluminum air intake vent is an essential item to complete your UTV build. The aluminum air intake vent is laser cut from aluminum for a precise fitment onto your trimmed OEM central air inlet grille frame. It comes preformed to the curvature of the grille frame to simplify the installation process. It increases airflow to the chamber, which provides fresh air to the intercooler and engine air intake. The increased flow helps the intercooler in providing denser charge to the motor for optimum performance. Until we meet on your next DRT install, be safe out there. If you have any questions during your installation, don't hesitate to contact us via phone or email. We are here to help.